So, Ryan here in Chengdu. Weather's changed a little bit. It's nicer out now. Sitting in a 7-Eleven drinking some coffee. 7-Eleven coffee. Best place for coffee probably if you are a cheapskate like me. Coffee is pretty expensive in China. I'm going to do a video on coffee. Maybe in the next video I do. Because there are different price points, but a 7-Eleven coffee is like 6 kwai. It's like $1 or something, which is the cheapest you can get. And it's not that bad. It's a little espresso machine, like an American style, Americano basically, they call it. Meishu American style coffee. Yeah, so I'm in the 7-Eleven, listening to country music. For some reason, 7-Eleven has switched over their catalog to country music in China. I don't know why.
Somebody ring the dingster!
But I'm going to get some noodles today. I'm going to get some noodles from a place that I've always wanted to go to. I've seen photos of it in the past. It's like an underground noodle place. That makes it sound like really cool, but it's really just, it looks like a parking garage. It used to be a parking garage or something, but there's a noodle shop set up down there now. And it's supposed to have some really good noodles. I'm going to try some Chengdu noodles, which I've talked about in the past. I don't think I've ever done a video on them though, but those are really, really good stuff. And I wanted to show you something over here. So check this out real quick. They have Jacob's Creek wine in there. Dispense it right into a glass. 19 kwai. Get your wine on tap in the 7-Eleven. Okay, the streets over there. I've come through. I'm wandering out behind these buildings here. We got a parking garage there. This parking lot of some sort. I don't know what's going on. Looks like a elderly health service center. And the noodle place is just here on the right. It's actually on Dianping. It gets a pretty high rating. Dianping is like the Yelp of China. And they have 3 ratings. They do a rating for service, for taste, and for atmosphere. This place gets 5.7 for atmosphere. 5.7 out of 10. So it's a terrible rating. The taste and the service get a decent rating. Chengdu, China's underground noodle scene, which is highly secretive, of course, with this giant sign that says Noodles, and obviously all these people in here sitting around eating. It's not underground at all. It's literally underground. Let's go have a look. This is kind of bizarre. The noodles look good. It's a little dark, a little dingy. I mean, it certainly looks a little dingy, but I'm digging it. I think it's great. Okay. Chengdu 一两 noodle 2 一两 Normally people would get 1 noodle dish and get twice as many noodles, like 2 liangs worth of noodles. It's a weight system, but I'm gonna get 2 different ones because I want to try them. I'm all excited. So as they're making my noodles here, this place is called Lao Lu Mian Dian. Lao Lu, Lao is old, Lu is 6, number 6, and Mian Dian is like noodle shop. I wanted to do a quick lesson on the numbers in China and the hand gestures that they use. 1 to 5 is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is actually my favorite. It's like this. The thumb represents 5 and then plus 1 more. 7, well, they usually do 3 fingers together like this. 8, which is like a gun. 9 is a hook. And then 10, they'll do the fist, I'm with you, brother. Or they'll pump out the X, stay away from me, vampire. So this restaurant is Lao Liu Mian Dian. And the noodles look amazing. It's f***ing loud in here. It should be called Loud Liu. Yeah? Okay, one of these are Chengdu, one is just beef. I expected to see some Chengdu on the top, but I guess it's underneath. We'll just mix them up here and we'll see what's going on in there a little bit better. It looks like that's pork, and we got some pickled, probably pickled cabbage. The noodles are really nice too. One of these better have some Chengdu at the bottom. The main reason I wanted to come here was for these pickled bits in here. Like, I've never seen that in a noodle place. Usually you can get them on the side and you just eat them. But mixed in with the noodles, I thought that was a pretty great idea. There's no Chengdu in this. It seems like they gave me the same one twice, which might be my fault because I can't communicate properly. Oh well. I'll just cut that whole Chengdu thing out of the video. I'm gonna some Chengdu noodles, which I've in the past. I don't think I've ever done a video on them though, but those are some pretty good looking noodles. You can see why people would give this place a low rating, I guess, when it comes to atmosphere. But at the same time, when you're a Westerner like me, you come to China and you expect a little bit of chaos. Something like this is appealing to me. Maybe to you guys, maybe not. But if you do want to check this place out, I'll include the address and the information you need in the notes in the description below. Oh yeah, baby. Let's try this out. That's good. The noodles are really fresh. You can tell they're fresh. Good quality noodles. And it's spicy, very spicy. Woo. Feeling it. In my sinuses, starting to hiccup, which is what I do when things are really spicy. Oh geez. That pickled cabbage has a nice little crunch to it. I'm not getting much flavor from it. A little bit, but not much. So I've always liked places that make their own like pickled ingredients and stuff like that. They're not just buying it, prepackaged stuff and putting it in. And as you can see behind you here, that's exactly what they're doing in these pots. They probably have cabbage, maybe some radish, being pickled in those pots. Okay, see, bye. All right, all done lunch. Cops are all done lunch too. They're gonna take off on their little Yamaha. I want one of those bikes actually, they're pretty sweet. This is the noodle place, and atmosphere 5.7. Not according to me, I thought it was pretty sweet. So this is the type of place I like to eat at, and actually I have a food guide that you can buy if you're coming to Chengdu. It has 70 dishes, 55 restaurant recommendations. It's got a ton of stuff in it. I have information about every dish. So check that out. I'm gonna whore that out for a while because that's the only way I make money off these videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, keep watching, lots more to come. This is Ryan signing off.
Prefer when I'm by myself. I don't wanna hang around y'all. Pray for good health. One day I'm really gon' ball. Fuck around and buy the whole mall. Breaking that cake. Flexing 700 in the bank. Not a superhero, I don't save. Look at my face. Look at my grades. Don't match up, no love. Look at date. I just fade. When I hit the jack, you can keep the pie. Every night I gamble, I stop. Yeah. When I check the cost, I was like,
Oh, that's expensive.
Ay, Rolly flex in my ear.